Hi, my name is Krishna Lalitha. I am from Visakhapatnam district, Andhra Pradesh state. I was completed my graduation of BCom in 2019 from Andhra University in Visakhapatnam district. After that, I was joined Evision. One of my friends suggested that about Evision consulting company. In Evision, I was learned many topics like networking, Windows, Outlook, Office 365, Linux administration, ITL, etc. After completion of training, I got a placement and I gave many interviews to improve my knowledge and confidence. Finally, I was selected NeelBlue Technologies Private Limited company with the package of 2.5 lakhs in Hyderabad location. I am heartfully thanks to whole Evision team, Deepthi ma'am, Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, and all Evision staff. And I suggest that Evision is the best platform for IT field, those who are looking for job seekers. Thank you. Thank you, Evision.